What's good, YouTube? Today we about to install the rocker arms and the push rods. I had the intake on there with the head. That's how she looking. Show y'all how it look with the intake. Yes, sir. I just put the valve covers on just to cover everything up, make sure stuff don't get corrosion and rusted. The springs on the heads. Rocker arms. Yes, sir. This one we was waiting on, y'all. We had to wait on the studs for the rocker arms because these heads didn't come with no studs for whatever reason. Then we got some push rod guide plates. Boom. Push rods not long enough. Jesus Christ. Damn, man. Push rods is too sharp. Order some new ones. Bye. That's it, y'all. That's all we could do. Gotta order some more push rods. Sucks, but that's what come with the game, I guess. This is what we using for that engine lube, man. Dang, man. Let me put this valve cover back. Woo!